Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Simply irresistible moist muffins made with Nutella swirl need no more decoration or frosting as they look great as they are. For those of you looking for a Nutella muffin recipe to die for, I can't recommend this simple and easy recipe enough. So first I asked my little helpers to help me put these cupcake liners in my muffin tray. First, sift the flour with baking powder and mix until combined and keep this mixture on the side. Now separately, I mixed vanilla essence with the milk and mix them together and keep this mixture on the side as well. Now in a mixing bowl, add butter and sugar and cream them together until light, fluffy and creamy. I substitute oil in here, but butter is the best option. Now add egg in this butter and egg mixture one at a time, and then beat well after each addition until this eggs are completely combined with this mixture. Now add third of a flour mixture and beat until combined. Then add half of the milk and again beat the batter until milk and flour is completely mixed. Then add another third of the flour, mix, and then add the remaining milk. So here, as you can see, my little helpers, my E's were there in the kitchen. Everything was dumping in the bowl, and then I was just giving away the instructions. So just lastly, add the remaining milk and the remaining flour and mix until everything is fully combined. Now pour your batter into your cupcake tray, which is lined with the cupcake liners. Don't overfill them, just fill them around 3/4. Then top off every cupcake with Nutella. Add about 1 teaspoon of Nutella on each cupcake. You can add more if you want. Then use a toothpick or a fork and swirl the Nutella into the top of your cupcakes. Then throw them into the oven, which is preheated on 350 degrees, and bake them for 15 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. And make sure you check out from the white part. These fabulous muffins are so heavenly you won't want to stop eating them. Nutella spread is swirled into muffin batter, making for a special or holiday breakfast. If you are a Nutella lover, then you will drool over these muffins for sure, and you probably want more and more. I made these over a brunch when my mom was visiting with khagina and paratha, and I already shared the recipe for that. I'll leave the link down below for you guys. And if you try these muffins, please take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family. And don't forget to check my previous videos.